Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that we're at a new post-float high for the New Zealand dollar TWI. But first, American stocks fell in a broad sell-off overnight, dropping for a second straight session in their biggest one-day fall in almost 2 months, as investors pulled back ahead of the start of the corporate earnings season. Tech stocks led the tumble. Interestingly, however, hedge fund bets that short the sky-high equity markets are very light at the moment and now smaller than before the GFC. No one seems to want to bet that the rally will run out of steam at this point. Maybe irrational exuberance has returned. Overnight, yields on benchmark US Treasury 10-year bonds also fell and are now at 2.56%. Both the gold and oil price fell, with US oil now at $103 a barrel and Brent is now under $109 a barrel. Gold is also lower. Not only is our currency high, but interest rate risk for New Zealand is very low, as sovereign debt attracts just 30 basis points of CDS spread, a new post-GFC low. Australia is similarly benefiting and has slipped below 30 basis points. Investment-grade 5-year corporate spreads are now down to 80 basis points, which is where bank paper is priced, and that is also historically low. Helping drive the overnight moves were two things. Firstly, yesterday's lower confidence on the quarterly survey of business opinion moved settings to a more sustainable level and did nothing to dispel the realisation that more inflation is on the way. That will underpin the RBNZ's OCR raising track. And secondly, overnight, Fitch reaffirmed sovereign AA credit rating for New Zealand and upped its outlook from stable to positive. The currency rose. Our domestic interest rate swaps start higher today as well. We also start today with the New Zealand dollar in record territory overall, although no individual pair is at a post-float high. We're at 87.9 US cents, 93.5 Aussie cents. The TWI, however, is 81.7 this morning, which is an all-time high, beating the mark set just 12 days ago. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.